I am back with another quick unboxing video. This one is for the Prada leather key holder. I got it a few days ago. I actually ordered this by mistake. I was so excited I clicked on the wrong item. But now that it's here, it's I think I'm gonna go keep it. So this is the Saffiano leather key holder with a key fob. So it's in Saffiano leather, gold tone hardware, and this is in Peony pink color. Let's go ahead and open that. So there's two little snap buttons there, and I believe this is a removable key fob holder. I'll take it off. Oh, there you go. Yeah, so it is removable. It says Prada on there. There's 4 key holder slots there, and a little slot here that goes through. You can put a card in there, and a little slot over here. You can also fit a card in there. That's just another. Let's see if it fits. This should be about the size of a credit card. Yep, if it's a credit card, just fine. You can probably fit 2 in there. It says Prada made in Italy there. And let's see over here. Yes, you can fit another 1 or 2 cards in there too. So this is similar to the, there's nothing in the back. One straight leather there. Very similar to the Louis Vuitton 6 and the 4 key key holder, except this one, I like this little tab here where you can put your key fob and have it dangle down there. So I actually debated on returning this, but now that I've played with it a little bit, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it. Let's see if I can find my my Louis Vuitton key holder. Let's do a little comparison. So this is the Louis Vuitton 6 key holder. So as you can see, it is very similar. Louis Vuitton doesn't have the slot key here, just one big slot there in the middle. And if you close them up, they're about the same size. And Louis Vuitton is just a little bit, a few mm's wider, but generally about the same size. All right, so there you go. That's the Prada leather key holder in Peony pink.